Okay, this is part 2 of dropping the transmission. In part 1 we disconnected everything. In this part we're going to try and drop the transmission. I'm trying to get all the tools ready. I know for a fact you need a number 15 for all the bolts on the transmission, and you need a 13/16 for the mount, for the transmission mount. Okay, down here there's one bolt right here that goes up to the transmission. It's a 15. Okay, these right here are 11/16. So you grab on one side with the wrench, and you do, and the other side you do it with the ratchet. You take those out, and then it's these. I don't know how many there are all around. I'll show you at the end. But yeah, we're gonna remove these, and these are 15s. And yeah, everything else is disconnected. So we're gonna put a jack here and put a jack over here, and slowly bring it down. If it falls, it's not concrete, it's not gonna crack. But if you do have concrete, if it hits hard, then it might. I already removed some bolts so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can't see, but 6 over there. And then right now I have this ratchet right here. That's gonna be 7. And then I think there should be a few more up there. But yeah, I'm gonna start putting the jacks right here, so just in case it doesn't follow me. Alright, so it got dark, but we removed about all the bolts. We removed right here, all the bolts from right here, two on that side, 2 on this side, and I think about all of the ones from the transmission except the top one, which we're gonna get one once we drop this down, and this goes down. We might be able to go and take the one on the top down. But yeah, after that we're gonna drop the transmission. Alright, it's the second day, and I got all the bolts out, but I couldn't take it out. I've been looking all around, checking, and the only thing that I see is, where is it at? Right there, that little pin on both sides. Let me see, right there. And I'm kind of confused if it just slides off or if that needs to be knocked in. So I'm gonna just I'm gonna just take these jacks off and push it, and let me see if it comes out. got this side kind of from this, let me see that, but on the other side it's kind of seized up, so I sprayed a lot of penetrating oil, and I'm gonna leave it for a while because I've been prying on it. I've even put a ratchet so like it pushes that way, but it's still seized. So I'm gonna let it sit for a while with the penetrating oil. Hopefully that works, because if not, I don't know what. All right, so fuck that shit. But yeah, those two pins on the other side, it was really seized up, and after a few tries from pulling this to the side, from pulling it to the back, and putting a pry bar in it, I just put a big ass pry bar and I fucking kicked it and it came off. Now we gotta lift it and pull it out, cause it's sitting on the clutch and the flywheel and all that, which doesn't matter because we're gonna replace that probably. There it is. I just yanked it out and it fell. I'm gonna just pull it out. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, this is the transmission. Right now, the problem was second gear, right now it's in second gear, and oh man, you can't really see, but in there you can see the things moving, the gears moving. But if you look at that gold part, that right there is too much slack for second gear. So we're gonna take all this apart. Right now we're making a little station back here where we have all our wheels and tool parts. We're gonna put 3 wheels on each side, and we'll put a piece of wood on top. We're gonna start taking everything apart. All right, we got the transmission up here on the table that we made with 3 wheels on each side. This side was a little bit low, so we put a block. But yeah, we're gonna start. Well, let me check in here. We're gonna look in here. I'm gonna take these bolts off, and then we're gonna put them all in bags, right what they are. Here's some tools that we're gonna use, maybe a breaker bar, penetrating oil, and yeah, a bucket to put all the bags in once we have these in bags. All right, so actually I'm gonna do another video on removing all the bolts and taking all this apart to get into the gears. Okay, so that's it.